let's make some junk journal jewelry, a junk journal spine dangle decoration to go wrap around this Junk Journal Madness project. I'm Kathleen. Thanks for following me, as well as Susan, who's over at I Turtly Love It. She is the host of Junk Journal Madness, and I'm this month's guest collaborator. I am getting to the end of creating this journal, but need to do a little extra bling. So I'm measuring the length of this spine, doubling it, and then leaving a little bit extra beading wire. This is a Junk Journal collaboration. This month's theme is Cornucopia of Gratitude. You can check out the other videos about creating these other fun pages in this mixed media junk journal. For this video, I am ready to add some beaded dangles off the top of this spine. I'm not positive if I'm going to have beads go all the way on this beading wire inside the book as well. I'm going to do some of these seed beads, stringing them on the outside of the wire. Then I will do an estimate of seeing if the book could close if they're on the inside. What I mean is that I could put, like a necklace, I could put beads all the way around this strand and crimp it at the top. If I don't want beads inside the journal itself, I will put a crimp bead down here, string beads along the outside of the spine, and then crimp it at the top so there's just a string of beads on the outside. Thanks for junk journaling with me and following along. All right, let me share what I've been doing here. I've been stringing beads on here. I just put a clamp at the bottom. I know I want them on the outside of the spine. This is so gorgeous. In fact, it's so pretty that I want to make a bracelet to match. What do you think? I've never made jewelry to match my journal before. Am I the only one? Has anyone else made jewelry to match your junk journal? Anyway, what I wanted to test out is, do I want beads also on the inside, or is it going to be too hard to close? Let's see what happens. No, those seed beads are small enough. I was thinking that I might just have the plain wire on the inside, like this, just the wire, because I could definitely close with that, but I'm going for it. I'm going to keep stringing these on. I happened to do a pattern. I didn't know if I was going to do them randomly or not. Let's see, where am I right now? I am up to the yellow, 2 of those, and then a pink. Okay, so I've been stringing them on in a pattern. I'm going to keep stringing them on, and I'll meet back with you when I have basically a necklace going around the whole journal, and I'll show you how to finish it off. I've been smiling at myself as I'm stringing these beads. I absolutely have to make a bracelet or even a necklace to match my journal. Don't you love it when one creative project inspires another one? Who knew that I'd be making some jewelry after making jewelry for my journal? So what I'm doing now, I should take these loose papers out from the back. What I'm doing now is looping the string of beads around. I want to be careful not to get it too tight so it doesn't rip something, but I don't want it loose that it's going to fall out. So I am now switching over to the spine view of the journal, positioning my journal jewelry. I want the top of it to be the closure, so I can have some wires hanging down up at the top. So up here, I will be putting a crimp bead. I do have another tutorial that I can link in the description of this video where it describes just how to assemble crimp beads. Crimp beads are like a knot for your beads on your beading wire so that they don't fall off. I'm not going to describe the step-by-step of how to use the crimp bead since I've got that other tutorial, but I will just assemble it on here using my crimping tool.
I will say, however, that sometimes it helps to hold the crimping tool or crimping pliers in different directions to really get that crimp bead rounded out.
Now to decide if I should put the same pattern on here, a different pattern, or just snip them off. I've decided to use some of the same beads as well as some specialty accent beads that I didn't use in the first part of the beading project. Then I finish it off with a pretty gold leaf charm at the end. Let's do the other side. I finished the second tail with a star bead at the end. I'm so excited to have this junk journal jewelry, junk journal spine decorations on this project. This is Junk Journal Madness. The other videos are about creating the mixed media art inside the pages, and the next video will be about altering the paper clips, and then it will be time for a flip through of the whole journal. But for now, check out those awesome jewelry pieces that are going to inspire me to create some jewelry to wear so I can be twinsies with my journal. Thanks for junk journaling with me, and I'll see you in the next video.